The biggest news in the print-on-demand space was just released 2 days ago, and this is going to bring massive changes to the table that you're going to want to be aware of. So whether you are a seasoned seller or you are just now looking to get started, you're going to want to watch the entirety of this video so you know exactly what's going on. Now, in the print-on-demand world, there's really two companies that most people think of when it comes to the manufacturers that actually print and ship products to our customers, and those two companies are Printify and Printful. Now, they both have very extensive catalogs when it comes to product types and goods that can be printed and shipped directly to your customers. They also have lots of different resources, from mock-ups to bestseller data that helps you find the best-selling products, and so much more. And on my channel here, I have mostly talked about Printify because I have preferred them mostly due to their affordable prices when it comes to having a good profit margin for the products that I'm selling. But Printful also has a lot of its own pluses, and a lot of sellers have really loved Printful for the fact that they have some different products that Printify hasn't offered, and they also have more locations around the globe to expand your business to. And so some of Printify's sellers that use the platform would often go to Printful to get some products from there, and vice versa. So it was a lot of back and forth. And just as an example, you guys know that I have talked about embroidery on this channel quite a lot. So Printify has had a really great selection for hats, specifically for embroidery. They just now added sweatshirts that can be embroidered. However, the space on the sweatshirt where you can do this is quite small. Whereas over at Printful, they've had sweatshirts for a little longer, and there's a much larger print area available. So for the people that really wanted to expand upon their embroidery products, they would likely use both platforms. So now the good news is, beyond embroidery and beyond all products, is that Printify and Printful have decided to merge together. So this is absolutely huge news that is going to have the most positive impact on all print-on-demand sellers that use Printful and Printify. And so that just means more support and more opportunity for all of us. We're going to have access to over 1,000 different product types, from t-shirts, sweatshirts, candles, home decor, and so much more. So if you felt like in the past that you had to go back and forth between the two platforms and it became kind of confusing, this is going to give you a lot more ease of accessibility when it comes to creating your listings. This is then going to translate to better stocked stores, which then in turn leads to more money. Maybe you have felt limited by location. Like for me personally, I have only mostly sold in the United States because a lot of Printify's best print partners were located in the US. However, with Printful's extensive network across the globe, this is really going to open this up to new customers and new opportunity all around the globe. So now let's just go ahead and jump into some of the concerns that I've seen that Printify sellers have been bringing up, and let's put those to ease for you. And the number one concern is about pricing, right? A lot of us have chosen Printify due to their fantastic pricing, which allows us to have the best profit margins. And the good news is, with this merger, one of their number one focuses is supposedly on competitive price points, right? Because if us as sellers, if we are doing well, if we're making a lot of sales, then ultimately that helps them as well. So we're still going to have access to the same competitive prices. We're just going to have more support and more opportunity for growth. So be sure to stay tuned over the next couple of weeks as these changes begin to roll out. I'm staying on top of this, so if you have any questions, be sure to ask them down below, and I will be happy to answer or go and find the answer for you. Now, another big thing that sellers are wondering is how the connection is going to work. Is it going to stay the same? Is it going to change? And the good news is the connection with your store, whether you're selling on Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, TikTok Shop, wherever you are choosing to sell right now, those connections are going to stay exactly the same, because Printify and Printful are still going to have two separate websites for the time being. And that is because, right, this is a merger. They're taking the strengths of each individual company and merging them together, as opposed to an acquisition of just one company absorbing the other company. So keep moving forward in your business as usual, and stay tuned for more exciting details as this merger continues to roll out. And if you've been thinking about getting started with print on demand, now is as great of a time as ever. So down below in the description, I have a free sign up link for you where you can get started with Printify, soon to be Printify and Printful. And once you're all signed up there, you're going to have access to those 1,000 plus products that are coming with this merger. And be sure to tune into my free training videos on my channel here. There are lots of them, from how to research the best-selling products to what types of products to sell and how to design them. In my most recent tutorials on this channel, I also show you how to build a Facebook theme page so you can have a ready-built audience to send traffic to your store and start generating lots and lots of sales. So I hope you're super excited about this news. Let me know your thoughts and feedback down below. Make it an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.